Kung may time ka, paano yung mga bonding moments nyo sa bahay?
Yes, medyo nabawasan po yung bonding moments with family. Pero ako naman po, I make sure na every Sunday, hindi po nila nami-miss yung church. Mag-church po sila all together kahit hindi ako kasama. Kasi hindi po dapat mawala yan eh. Kasi keep the Sabbath day holy, sabi po sa Bible. And well, in terms of bonding naman po, pag nagkakaroon po ako ng chance whenever sometimes, kasi Eat Bulaga po has been my regular work every day. Minsan po nagkakaroon ng isang araw na walang kasunod na schedule yung Eat Bulaga. That's when I go home, I ask my family to go out or magpa-order na lang kami ng food sa bahay. Simple lang naman po yung bondings namin. We don't really enjoy much going out for vacation, out of town, out of the country. Mas gusto pa rin po namin sa bahay lang magkakasama po.
This holiday season, syempre meron kang pahinga. Kung meron, ha?
Meron naman po.
Meron. So,
Naman.
meron ka na bang plano or may naisip ka for your family to bond more?
Ayun, baka simple lang po since Halloween po. Of course, it's time to commemorate po yung sa mom ko since she passed away. Magna 9 years na po sa April. So, baka lumabas na po kami, eat outside, and then uwi din po. Nothing too grand. Simple lang po.
Okay. Ano tawag dito?